Tripura, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen. Very good evening to you all. और ये ओडिशा दिवस का आप सबको शुभकामनाएं. It is with a renewed sense of joy and deep appreciation that I am attending this program once again for the second time to celebrate Utkal Divas, simply Utkal Divas. The return of this vibrant gathering organized by the Orissa Samaj Tripura feels like a homecoming, a reaffirmation of the enduring bonds of culture and friendship that unite us. I visited Orissa many times. Whether you seek spiritual solace, natural wonders, adrenaline pumping adventures, or a taste of cultural richness, Orissa promises an unforgettable journey through its enchanting landscapes and vibrant traditions. Last year I visited Orissa Puri Raj Bhavan, which is having a beach attached, and Konark Temple I visited last time, and also the natural birds lake of that is Chilka Lake there. As we commemorate the anniversary of the formation of Odisha, let us reflect on the remarkable journey of this state, a land steeped in history, spirituality and artistic brilliance. Orissa is the bastion of rich cultural heritage with its historical monuments, archaeological sites, traditional arts, sculpture, dance and music. From time immemorial, Orissa has attracted a large number of scholars, artists and tourists. Orissa is renowned for its rich blend of cultural diversity and natural beauty. Bhubaneswar boasts a plethora of Hindu temples and scenic rivers. Orissa comprises numerous renowned tourist destinations, from ancient temples and historical sites to pristine beaches and lush forests. The state offers a diverse range of experiences that cater to every traveler's interests. Orissa boasts a rich heritage of temples, architecture, a testament to the deep spiritual roots of the region. The exquisite intricacy of Kalinga architecture have attracted pilgrims and art enthusiasts alike for centuries. Utkal Divas is not merely a date on the calendar. It is a celebration of the soul of Orissa, a soul that resonates with the rhythm of the Jagannath temple's drums, the graces of Orissa dance, and the poetic cadence of its languages. Last year I spoke about the rich heritage of Orissa, its magnificent temples and its profound cultural contributions. Today I wish to delve deeper into the spirit of Utkal, the spirit that has propelled its people to excel its diverse fields, from the ancient Kalingas to the modern day achievements in science, technology, and literature. Odisha has consistently demonstrated its resilience and dynamism. The Odisha, therefore, scattered across the globe, serves as a testament to the enduring influence of its culture. Here in Agartala, the Odisha Samaj Tripura has not only preserved its cultural identity but has also enriched the cultural landscape of Tripura. Your dedication to showcasing the tradition of Odisha through vibrant cultural program and community initiatives is truly commendable. I am particularly impressed by the efforts of the Odisha Samaj Tripura in fostering intercultural dialogue, the seamless integration of Odia tradition with the diverse culture swings of Tripura is a shining example of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat to achieve Vikasit Bharat. This harmonious coexistence strengthens the fabric of our nation, reminding us that our strength lies in our unity and diversity. I am told that there are Odisha working in Tripura in different sectors and contributing towards growth of Tripura state since long. Also, there are thousands of Odisha permanently living in different tea gardens in Tripura, whose forefathers had come to Tripura before independence for their livelihood, and till date they are living through their generations and appreciates their hereditary preservations of Odisha culture. They are here. Last time also I saw their cultural program also. I am happy that some of them are attending today's program. I am also told that Odisha Samaj Tripura is contributing its welfare efforts for them. The cultural exchange between Tripura and Odisha is a two-way street. Tripura, with its rich tribal heritage and vibrant folk traditions, also has much to offer. The two distinct cultures creates a unique synergy, fostering mutual respect and understanding. Let us use this occasion to affirm our commitment to preserving and promoting our cultural heritage. Let us encourage our younger generation to embrace their roots and to appreciate the beauty of our traditions and languages. Culture is not merely a relic of the past. It is a living, evolving entity that shapes our present and guides for future. I congratulate the Odisha Samaj Tripura for organizing this magnificent celebrations. Your dedication to keeping the spirit of Utkal alive in Tripura is truly commendable. Last year also I told this Odisha Day supposed to be organized in my Raj Bhavan, but most of the people you are gathering here and celebrating cultural program and everything. So I thought it is better to come here to participate with you in this program. I wish you all a joyous Utkal Divas and a prosperous year ahead. May the blessings of Lord Jagannath be upon us all. Jai Jagannath, Jai Tripura. Thank you.